You wake up after 8 hours of sleep, yet it feels as if you haven't slept at all. By the time afternoon arrives, your energy feels completely drained. Simple tasks that once felt effortless now require an incredible amount of willpower. And inevitably, you find yourself asking, why am I always so tired? If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Chronic fatigue has become one of the most common complaints of modern life, affecting millions of people of all ages. But there is encouraging news. Feeling constantly tired is rarely random. Once you understand the cause, you can take clear and concrete steps to regain your energy. Let's take a closer look at why you feel this way, and more importantly, what you can do about it. The hidden reasons behind your exhaustion. You're not actually getting restful sleep. The most obvious cause of chronic fatigue is poor sleep, but the issue isn't simply how many hours you sleep. Even if you sleep 7 or 8 hours a night, you can still wake up exhausted if the quality of your sleep is low. During sleep, the body cycles through different stages, including deep sleep and REM sleep. Deep sleep is when the body physically repairs itself, while REM sleep is when memories are strengthened and emotions are processed. If these cycles are disrupted by stress, alcohol, irregular sleep schedules, or conditions like sleep apnea, you will wake up feeling unrefreshed no matter how long you stayed in bed. Many people also underestimate the importance of their sleep environment. A room that is too warm, too bright, or filled with electronic devices can significantly reduce sleep quality. The brain needs darkness to produce melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. Even a small amount of light from a phone screen or streetlight can interfere with this process. Your body is running on an empty tank. Nutrition plays a major role in energy levels, yet it is often overlooked. Rewrite your sleep hygiene. Treat sleep as a non-negotiable priority. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, including weekends. Your biological clock thrives on consistency. Create a wind-down routine 60 to 90 minutes before bed. It doesn't need to be perfect. The goal is to signal to your body that the day is ending. Dim the lights, put away screens, and engage in calming activities such as reading, gentle stretching, or listening to soft music. Optimize your bedroom environment. Keep it cool around 18 to 20 degrees Celsius or 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, as dark as possible and reserved mainly for sleep. If you can't eliminate light completely, consider using a quality sleep mask. If noise is an issue, earplugs or white noise can help. Reevaluate your evening habits. Caffeine has a half-life of about 5 hours, meaning that coffee consumed at 3 p.m. can still affect you at night. Alcohol may make you feel sleepy initially, but it disrupts sleep cycles. Heavy meals close to bedtime can cause digestive discomfort and interfere with sleep. Fuel your body. Intentionally start your day with protein and healthy fats. Instead of sugary cereals or pastries, choose eggs, yogurt, nuts, or whole grains. Eat at regular intervals throughout the day. Long periods without food can lower blood sugar and cause fatigue. Aim for balanced meals every 3 to 4 hours that include protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and headaches. Most people need 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. If plain water feels boring, try herbal tea or fruit-infused water. Talk to your doctor about checking vitamin and mineral levels. Deficiencies in vitamin D, B12, iron, and magnesium can have a significant impact on energy. Use movement strategically. Moving your body may seem counterintuitive when you're exhausted, but regular physical activity is one of the most effective energy boosters. Exercise improves circulation, enhances cellular energy production, and supports better sleep. You don't need intense workouts. Start with what feels manageable: a 10-minute walk, gentle yoga, or simple stretching. Consistency matters more than intensity. Morning movement is especially powerful. It helps regulate your circadian rhythm and boosts energy throughout the day. Even 5 to 10 minutes of movement after waking can make a noticeable difference. Lighten the mental load. Take stress management as seriously as physical health. You don't need hours of meditation. Small, realistic practices are enough. Try a simple breathing exercise. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6. This activates the parasympathetic nervous system and calms the stress response. Even 2 minutes can bring noticeable relief. Write things down. To-do lists and worries consume mental energy when they stay in your head. Putting them on paper or in a notes app frees up mental space. Learn to set boundaries. Constant availability and overcommitment lead to burnout. Saying no, turning off notifications, and protecting your rest time are not selfish, they are necessary. If fatigue is accompanied by persistent sadness, hopelessness, or intense anxiety that interferes with daily life, seeking professional support can make a profound difference. Give it time and track the process. Energy doesn't return overnight. Your body needs time to recover from sleep debt, nutrient deficiencies, and chronic stress. Give consistent changes at least 2 to 3 weeks. Keep a simple energy journal. Track your sleep, nutrition, movement, stress, and daily energy levels. Over time, patterns will emerge that show what helps and what drains you. You can feel better. Chronic fatigue can feel hopeless, like you're trapped in a fog that never lifts. But the truth is, for most people, this state is reversible. It requires patience, self-compassion, and commitment. But feeling more energetic, clear-headed, and alive is absolutely possible. Start with 1 or 2 changes that feel easiest. maybe going to bed 30 minutes earlier or adding a short morning walk. Small steps compound into meaningful transformation. You deserve to feel good in your body. You deserve energy for the things that matter most to you. And with the right approach, you can reclaim it. Your energy is waiting for you. It's time to take it back.